This is the 𝗟𝗶𝗲 530MC slant bed multifunction CNC turning center from Focus CNC. This machine is specifically designed to excel in machining large components and has some great features in design and functionality that makes this machine an excellent choice for the large component machinings required for the oil, printing and other industries. The 45-degree FEA analyzed slant type bed of the 𝗟𝗶𝗲 530MC enhances precision by maximizing rigidity and long-term non-deformation stability while preventing chip accumulation. And with its single-piece wide base and solid structure, is specially designed to support large work pieces of up to 940 mm in diameter and 2,000 to 4,000 mm in length. Focus incorporates either a 3 or 4-speed highly versatile 45 kilowatt motor-driven spindle with a direct drive gear design and NN style bearings that give you both the torque needed for large diameter machining and the high RPM capabilities required for high-speed turning. The large carriage on the 𝗟𝗶𝗲 530MC employs a high-quality ball screw with support seat for precise Z-axis movement over longer distances. And the 200 mm deep, 12-tool, 11 kilowatt high horsepower BMT powered turret is highly rigid for stable machining with minimal vibration, even during deep boring operations using extended tools. The BMT power holders on this model are top-of-the-line high-rigidity models that feature a 1-to-1 drive ratio and up to 3,000 RPM. These special features make the 𝗟𝗶𝗲 530MC a highly versatile machine indeed and provide you with numerous machining capabilities in addition to turning operations, including face milling, boring, drilling, tapping and other operations. The massive tailstock in the 𝗟𝗶𝗲 530MC is specially designed for ease of use and heavy load support and incorporates a modern quill-type assembly, 200 mm in diameter, to simultaneously support and rotate with large work pieces. With this machine, the user operates a hydraulic motor drive mechanism through the control panel to easily and efficiently move the large tail stock into position, eliminating the need for manual positioning and reducing setup times. With several optional accessories available, Focus CNC can fit the 𝗟𝗶𝗲 MC series for a wide range of large component machining operations to satisfy a diverse variety of machining requirements. The 𝗟𝗶𝗲 530MC, with its superior quality and versatility, earns its position as an elite multifunction CNC turning center. Specifically designed for large component machining with its rigid slant bed design, massive high-torque, high-speed spindle and highly rigid, versatile 12-tool powered turret, the 𝗟𝗶𝗲 530MC is well suited to become an integral part of your machining operations.